Hello everyone. Today, me, Rido Ilahi, and my friend is Luki Alivia will talk about social linguistics. So, what is a sociolinguistic? Sociolinguistics is the study of language variation in society. And next, we talk about basic concept in sociolinguistics. At first, there is a language. Language is a tool that used by humans in order to communication to each other. And number two, there is a communication. Communication is an interaction with the purpose to exchange information with other people. And there are two types of communication. Number one is verbal communication. Verbal communication includes both oral and written forms of communication, and it relies on language to convey message. And number two, there is a non-verbal communication. This includes body language, gesture, facial expression, and other forms of conveying message without spoken words. And next, now we talk about the levels of linguistics. And first, there's a phonetics. Phonetics is the discussion about the production of speech sounds. And number two, there's a phonology. Phonology is the study of sound system of language, and this fields analyze phoneme or sounds become meaningful. And number three, there is a morphology. Morphology is the study of the structures and formation of words and examine how morpheme combine to create words. And number four, there are syntax. Syntax is the study of word structure. And number five is semantics. Semantics is the study of meaning and linguistic units, and it includes literal meaning of phrases, clauses, and sentences. And number six, there are pragmatics. Pragmatics is the study of how content influence the interpretation of language. And next, we talk about vernacular language and standard language. So what is vernacular language? Vernacular language refers to the everyday language spoken by ordinary people in a particular region or community. And standard language in contrast, standard language is a formal codified versions of language that is typically used in official settings such as government, education, and media. And next, Lucky will tell about it.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Rido. And now, linguistic varieties. Linguistic varieties refer to the different form of a language that are used in various social contexts or geographical areas. These varieties can be categorized into several types, including dialects. Dialect is regional or social varieties of a language characterized by differences in pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar. And second, accents. Accents is subsets of dialect that primarily involve differences in pronunciation. And the third, socialects. Social dialects that vary according to social factors such as age, gender, occupation, or socioeconomic status. And the last, registers. Register is variation in language use depending on the context, purpose, and audience. Okay, next. Now, language is in society. Sociolinguistic studies how social factors like gender, ethnicity, social class, and location influence language use. Next, social factors influence language use in sociolinguistics. First, genders. Genders significantly shape language use, affecting speech pattern, vocabulary, and conversational style. And the third, ethnicity. Ethnicity impacts language by contributing to the development and preservation of specific dialect, accents, and vocabulary unique to particular ethnic groups. Okay, social class. Social class influence language use toward variation in pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar that correspond to the different socio-economic status. And the last, location. Geographical location play a crucial role in shaping language toward regional dialects and accent. So, by studying sociolinguistics, it could help us understanding of how language function within different social contexts, enhancing communication skills and cultural awareness. Thank you.